What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I just want to do a quick little update video on my curly-haired tarantula. There he is in there. And if you look over here, right there is a molt. So this is Kronk, my curly-haired tarantula. So about, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe not that long, like a week and a half ago, really, maybe even just a week, but he closed off the entrance of his burrow right here, and I've just been anxiously watching him for days, just waiting to see him in that death position to let me know that he was going to molt, and it just wasn't happening. And I was like, well, what's going on? Are you going to molt? Like, what is taking so long? How long is this supposed to take? But I was looking every day, twice a day. I'd come home from work, check. Before I went off to work, I'd check multiple times throughout the day. I'd check, and he wasn't doing anything. Just had his burrow closed off and wasn't doing anything. But I come home today. I actually didn't check right away, so I'm just getting ready to go to bed, and I was checking, and he is molted. It's happened. So he's got his, you can sort of see it there. That is a layer of webbing that they will do. I think it's called their molting mat or something like that. I could be very wrong. I just remember seeing something about it. There's a specific name for that, but they lay down a layer of webbing and then they will molt on top of it. And then they come out all super fresh and clean. I'm not sure if the benefit of the molt is just to help them, I don't know, feel secure or make them feel a little bit more safer while they're molting. I don't know the purpose of that mat, but they do lay it. And so, yeah, he is molted. I have no idea how I'm supposed to get that molt out of there. I don't know if he'll kick it out on his own or not. He did not kick out the last one until, for several weeks when he was doing some serious excavating. He eventually ended up kicking it out, but by that point, it was just one with the dirt. It was all broken up into pieces. Wasn't even a solid molt anymore. So I don't know how long it'll be before he kicks this one out. And I don't know. I don't think I'm supposed to just dig everything up just to get it. So I'm not going to do that because he's worked so hard on this. I don't want to just ruin it just so I can get that molt. So anyway, what do you guys think? How do I get the molt out? Do I just wait for him to kick it out and do that, or what? Yeah. I'm not a big tarantula person. I'm still learning. This is a very new experience for me, and I'm enjoying the process, and I'm enjoying learning about them. But I don't know much, and every new thing is a new thing. So, yeah, there is Kronk, freshly molted. I really do wish this camera was better so that you can see him as well as I do. But yeah, I mean, he's been molted enough that his legs aren't all white, unless he's not like Yzma, whose legs are super pink and white when she molts. But his legs already look like they've darkened up, which means that he must have molted hours ago or something. Maybe did I check this morning? Maybe I didn't check on him. No, I did check on him this morning. He was not molted. So, I don't know. Maybe his legs just don't get white like Yzma's when she's molted, because she looks so pink and soft. So, yeah, different tarantula, different process, I guess. Anyway, there it is. Just a quick video update on my curly-haired tarantula here, Kronk. Yep. Alright, everybody. TWR is out. You guys take care. Love yourselves. Love your reptiles. Love your critters. And y'all keep spreading those herbs.